Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Artero Slicker Brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any pet owner, especially those with long-haired or double-coated breeds, as it effectively removes loose fur, undercoat, and prevents matting, ensuring your pet's coat remains healthy, tangle-free, and comfortable, making grooming sessions a more pleasant experience for both you and your furry companion. Number 5. Poodle Pet Dematting Fur Rake Comb Brush. Discover the ultimate grooming solution recommended by professionals and pet owners alike. This is the perfect all-in-one comb for your furry friend. Designed for pets with long coats, it effectively removes knots, mats, and tangles. It's the top choice for dematting dogs and cats. The easy grip handle is made from durable rubber with a textured surface for a secure hold. It ensures safe grooming on both wet and dry pet hair. Featuring extra-long stainless steel blades, it penetrates deep into thick fur. This tool quickly breaks up knots and mats, making it ideal for undercoat brushing. Constructed with premium rubber and rust-proof stainless steel, this grooming brush is incredibly strong and durable. It's built to handle all your long-haired pet grooming needs. What we like? This tool features extra-long steel blades designed to reach deep into thick fur. If you're dealing with severe mats and tangles, especially on long-haired breeds, this is your go-to. Its comfortable, non-slip grip ensures safety and control during tough grooming sessions. What people say. This slicker brush is great for removing loose hair and undercoat. The bristles are fine enough to get through tangles without pulling the hair. It has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to use for extended periods. Number 4. We love Doodle's Slicker Brush, large curved. Tired of stubborn tangles, knots, and mats? This brush makes quick work of messy fur, leaving your furry friend feeling their best. It's perfect for dematting and tackling shedding. Experience professional-grade grooming with this high-quality brush. Its design easily works through dense, long coats, providing a comfortable grooming experience for both you and your pet. Whether you have a small puppy or a large dog, this brush is designed to be loved by all doodles. It's also great for poodles, labradoodles, and any other curly-coated companions. Featuring long, soft pins that are angled for safety, this brush ensures a deep yet gentle brushing experience. The pins are designed to protect your dog's skin from scratches. We stand by our products and are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help ensure you and your happy dog owner experience. What we like? With pins that are longer, softer, and angled at 45 degrees, this brush is exceptionally gentle on your pet's skin. If you have a doodle or a dog with curly or dense fur and are concerned about scratching, this is the ideal choice for a comfortable and effective grooming experience. What people say. The Artero Slicker Brush is designed with a flexible head that conforms to the body's contours, making it easier to groom different areas. Its fine, dense bristles effectively remove loose hair and undercoat without causing discomfort to the pet, suitable for all coat types. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended grooming sessions. Number 3. Doodle Slicker Dog Brush by Freshly Bailey. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool designed specifically for your golden doodle or poodle. Keep their medium to long hair looking its best with ease. This brush is engineered to tackle tangles, remove loose fur, and bring out the natural fluffiness of their coat. Achieve professional grooming results at home. If you own a golden doodle or poodle, this is a must-have grooming accessory. It's perfect for their unique hair maintenance needs. The slicker design ensures a gentle grooming experience while effectively removing mats and knots. Your pet will enjoy the brushing process. Regular use of this brush promotes a healthy coat by distributing natural oils and preventing matting. Keep their fur smooth, shiny, and beautiful. From Freshly Bailey, a brand trusted for quality pet products. This tool is designed to make grooming simpler and more effective for you and your furry friend. What we like? This brush is designed to help you detangle, brush, and fluff your pet's coat like a professional. If you're looking to achieve a salon-quality finish at home, especially for medium to long-haired breeds that need regular maintenance and a bit of volume, this is the perfect tool. What people say. It gets the job done. It's easy to hold and comfortable. It's also the perfect size where it grabs enough hair but not too much, not too little. Great for my doodle who has tight curls, she doesn't mind me brushing her, get the knots out easily. This brush has long tines. It could be a little larger, but a decent value for the price. Number 2. Ryan's Pet Supplies Paw Brothers Slicker Brush. Experience grooming like never before with our soft flex brush. Its design contours to your pet's body, ensuring maximum comfort during every session. This brush is built for professionals, featuring durable, angled stainless steel pins on both sides. It's designed to tackle grooming challenges with ease. Grooming just got easier with its comfortable, non-slip grip. You'll appreciate the control and ease it provides, even during long grooming sessions. Its thoughtful size is ideal for grooming small to medium-sized dogs. Achieve a salon-quality finish right at home. Choose a brand with a legacy of quality. Ryan's Pet Supplies has been dedicated to pet professionals and lovers for over 60 years. What we like. This brush offers a flexible head that follows pet contours and a double-sided design for versatility. If you have a small to medium-sized dog and appreciate a comfortable, non-slip grip for ease of use, this professional-grade tool provides a comfortable grooming experience for both you and your pet. What people say. Pulls out all the undercoat and easy too. Feels great in my hand. This slicker really removes the loose fur and traps it in the splines for easy removal and into trash. No fur blowing around. Nice because it is flexible and won't hurt your pet as much as a stiff brush might. Number 1. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Tired of pet hair everywhere? This brush is designed to efficiently remove loose hair, tangles, and debris from your pet's coat. It works wonders on both long and short-haired companions. Grooming shouldn't be a chore, especially the cleanup. With a simple push of a button, the bristles retract, making fur removal quick and easy after every session. Say goodbye to excessive shedding. Its angled bristles not only detangle but also gently massage your pet's skin. Regular use promotes a healthier, shinier coat. Designed with you in mind, it features a comfortable grip handle. This allows for strain-free grooming, even during extended sessions, making it perfect for all pet owners. Your pet's comfort is paramount. The soft, fine bristles are gentle on their skin, ensuring no scratches. It's effective on all fur types, making it a versatile grooming essential. What we like. The standout feature here is the self-cleaning mechanism, allowing bristles to retract with a push of a button. If you dislike the hassle of cleaning fur from brushes and want a quick, easy solution after grooming, this is the perfect tool for you. Its gentle bristles also ensure a comfortable experience for your pet. What people say. The slicker brush is very effective at removing loose undercoat and tangles. It has a comfortable, non-slip grip that makes it easy to hold and maneuver. The bristles are fine enough to get through dense fur without pulling or causing discomfort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.